My name is Gulnaz Sandra and today we are going to learn has and have. This is the important lesson that we are going to learn today. So, I will explain you a little bit where to use has and where to use have. We use have with plural and we use has with singular. We also use have with I, we, you and they. We use has with he, she and it. Now I will give you some examples. You need to fill in the blanks with has and have. Anu and Manu dash bicycles. What we fill here? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. Anu and Manu have bicycles because there are two persons and with plural we use have. Now the next. Seema dash a new car. What we will fill here? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. Seema has a new car because Seema is only one person and with one we use has. Now the next question is they dash a big house. What will we fill here? Have or has? Think, think. You guessed it. They have a big house because we use have with they. Now the next question. I dash many storybooks. What will we fill here? Have or has? Think, think. You guessed it. I have many storybooks because we use have with I. Now the next question. I dash a Barbie doll. What will we fill here? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. I have a Barbie doll because we use have with I. Now the next question. Elephants dash big ears. What will we fill? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. Elephants have big ears because there are many elephants and with many we use have. Now the next question. Monkeys dash long tail. What will we fill here? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. Monkeys have long tails because there are many monkeys and with many we use have. Now the next question. The next question is super easy. I dash a soft toy. What will we fill here? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. I have a soft toy because we use have with I. Now the next question. Do he dash many books? What will we fill here? Has or have? Think, think. You don't know? Okay, I will tell you the answer. Ruhi has many books. Has is the correct answer. But some children are getting confused with books and they're thinking that have will come. No, have will not come. Okay, I will tell you why we have written has. because Ruhi is only one person and with one we use has. Now the next question. Birds dash feathers. What will we fill? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. Birds have feathers because there are many birds and with many we use have. Now the next question. The next question is a tricky one. Mr. Singh dash 2 sons. We will fill here has or have. Think, think. You don't know? Okay, I will tell you the answer. Mr. Singh has 2 sons. But some children are getting confused with sons because sons means plural. Now I will tell you why we have written has. Don't get confused in sons. So we have written has because Mr. Singh is one person and with one we use has. Now the next question. We dash to go home. What will we fill here? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. We have to go home because we use have with we. Now the next question. You dash my pen. What will we fill here? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. You have my pen because we use have with you. Now the next question. Dia dash many toys. What will we fill? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. Dia has many toys. But some children are confused because of toys. Because toys means plural. I will tell you why we have written has. We have written has because Zia is only one person and with one we use has. Now the next question. They dash a big house. What will we fill here? Has or have? Think, think. You guessed it. They have a big house because we use have with they. Now the next question. Insects dash many legs. What will we fill? We will fill has or have. Think, think. You guessed it. Insects have many legs because there are many insects and with many we use have. So that's all for today. Hope you had fun in this video and improved your skills. If you still have any confusion, just let me know in the comment box. Keep learning and support my little efforts. Bye. Bye everyone.